Fayad. Fayad. Kesian kat Fayad. Okay. Alright. So last week we learned about heat. Is it? So your exercise from last week is about application of heat. Expansion and contraction of materials. So given example, railway track, electric cable and thermometer. So how to relate expansion and contraction of material to their function lah. What will happen if no gap, no space between joints at the railway track? What will happen? So that relate with expansion and contraction of materials. So have we discussed all the answer? The exercise? Done, is it?
Entah.
Hadif? Entah? Dan kan orang kan? Okay, so before we go to wait. So everyone, all of you have what activity book, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's discuss question at page 69. I need your activity book now. Everyone go and get your activity book. Turn to page 69. Today we will discuss about this question.
Sure.
Yes.
Tak ada.
Oh, anak tak ambil buku lagi. Okay, teacher we share this book, this exercise with you as seesaw. Okay. Wait, Anas. Page 69. Yeah. Anas, after this Anas check seesaw. Wait
Teacher, belajar apa hari ni?
Today we want to use activity book, page 69. Hurry up. So I give you.
Saya tak ada buku sebab saya duduk rumah saudara saya.
Okay, so after this check seesaw. So I give you 10 minutes. 12:19. We discuss the answer, okay? Do first. Do by your own, after this we discuss. Mikael, Anas, Oh, Ifan.
Teacher, sorry saya lambat. Saya buat maths homework.
Okay. For the first time, I see Ifan without his cap.
Teacher boleh nampak saya ke?
Yeah.
Ingatkan saya tutup kamera saya.
No.
Saya tengah buka sekarang ke tutup?
Tadi previously I can see your hair. No hair, your head. Okay, fine. I want to share exercise with you as seesaw. Wait,
Saya tengah tutup kamera kan?
Now you tutup camera.
No, same. I don't want anybody to see my hair. It's embarrassing.
I already saw your hair, your head.
Hebat lah juga kalau kau buka topi.
Mute your microphone, please.
Teacher, faster. What subject we learn today?
We will discuss about expansion and contraction of material.
Teacher, sekarang tak kerja?
Sekejap lah. On the way.
On the way, guys.
On the way.
Teacher, saya rasa saya dah boleh download Kotobi. Saya dah boleh Kotobi
Already can review by your own digital book?
Yes.
Very good. So after this I want to use digital book tau. So please make sure all of you install first Kotobi reader. So that we can, all of you can use digital book. No need for me to share screen lah. Much easier.
Teacher boleh teacher boleh record je.
Yes, no, today I use MacBook because nasib baik teacher have MacBook today. Apa Ifan lambat?
Sorry teacher.
Teacher dah send ke teacher?
Sekejap. Sekejap, 1 more minute.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Ya. Okay, Anas, Mikael and Ifan, you may check Seesaw now.
Okay.
Okay.
Exercise of expansion and contraction.
Yes, Zulaika.
What is the meaning of round bottom flask?
Round bottom flask, okay. Which one? Okay, this one, this picture. This one. This is round bottom flask.
Teacher
Yes.
instruction pun teacher.
Teacher, boleh kita discuss tak teacher?
Do lah you buy your own first. Later lah we discuss. What, Ifan?
Teacher tak bagi instruction pun teacher.
Instruction. Answer the question lah. Itu instruction dia.
Tadi teacher tak letakkan sisa instruction apa benda.
Tak apa.
I need instruction to understand je.
Oh, this one you just write down the correct answer. That's the instruction.
Hey.
Macam tu je. Today what will happen if the round bottom flask is immersed in
Hadif, have you done? Have you done your work? Hurry up.
Teacher, siapa yang cakap tu? Teacher Diana yang cakap.
Teacher Diana.
Assalamualaikum Teacher Diana.
Dia boleh dengar. I use headphone.
What? Teacher, kenapa dia sampai?
Okay, bateri saya dah nak habis teacher.
Battery what, Mikael?
Bateri iPad saya ni 3% je.
3% your iPad. Charge lah.
Teacher Fika.
Ada power bank.
Teacher Fika.
Yes.
Dia suruh give your reason tapi dah memang logik dia akan panas. So apa reason loading?
What loading? Oh, Seesaw.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Adif,
lah, orang
you done ke your work?
Teacher, dia suruh bagi reason tapi dah memang logik. My answer. So this is the plus I give.
I cannot understand what?
Dia suruh give, dia kata give your reason tapi saya punya answer dah logik dah. So apa reason kena bagi?
Yeah, you predict what will happen. If the round bottom flask is immersed into the basin filled with hot water, you observe lah. What are the observation you can make from the picture?
The bottom of the flask will expand.
Then after that, if you expand, what will happen? That one is not really the answer for question A1. That's not really the answer.
The bottom of the flask will be hot.
I don't know. You write down first your own answer. Later we discuss. Wow, so comel lah adik Zulaika. Is it your sister Zulaika?
No, it's my cousin.
Your
Adik
cousin.
saya pun comel.
Ya. Fayat. Apa nama adik you? Fatah?
Tiba apa ya?
Fatih?
Bukan kau seorang je.
Teacher cantik tak teacher?
Tu nak cakap apa?
Teacher cantik tak?
Boleh lah.
Tak tahu. Boleh lah.
Boleh lah.
From a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay lah, cantik. Dah.
Cantik. Okay, hurry up. I'll give you.
Chef, teacher cantik on a scale of 1 to 10, 8 over 10.
Wow, 8. Oh, quite high juga tu. Yes, it's like
You only page 69 ke?
Yes, only 69. After this we discuss. Okay? Adif, 2 more minute. Hurry up 2 more minute.
Kenapa mute saya?
Janganlah, Fandi cakap ajalah buat kerja.
Teacher, Faya tanya. Teacher what page? Teacher mute. Teacher mute lah teacher.
Okay. 69 Faya. I'll give you 1 more minute. Okay, time's up. Let's discuss the answer. Okay? Alright. Listen carefully. Number A. Sorry,
Okay.
I read the instruction. No. I read the question first. The diagram below shows an investigation about the expansion and contraction of matter. So now, using sabar, okay, using your skills, observation skill, okay, so predict what will happen if the round bottom flask is immersed into the basin filled with hot water. Now, let's see together, let's observe together. This is round bottom flask. Okay, inside the round bottom flask, it consists of glass tube. Okay, inside the glass tube, we put colored water droplet. Okay, now this round bottle flask is put inside the hot water. Now we try to relate the concept of expansion and contraction of material, and let's see what will happen. And we need to predict what will happen to the, of course, the colored water droplet, because inside the tube, inside the glass tube, it has that water droplet. Okay, so I don't want Akil. I know Akil can answer. I want, okay, Ifan. So
Yes,
what
teacher.
is your prediction? What will happen?
The bottom of the flask will be hot and the color water will rise out.
Okay, good. So you just write simple, because only 1 mark. So below 1 mark,
Apa
okay, due to 1 mark question, okay, the mark is only 1. So your answer, sabar Mikael, your answer as well should be simple. Okay, so write down the answer. The colored water droplet will rise. Dia akan menaik.
The water color.
The colored water droplet will rise.
Droplet lepas tu?
Will rise.
Will rise. Sekejap, salah tak. Will R-I-S.
Okay, very good. So now move to question A2. Give your reason. This one, how to answer, you need to relate with the concept of expansion and contraction of material. Okay. Who want to give me the answer?
Give me the reason. Teacher,
Me.
Okay, Naura. Try, Naura.
The round bottom flask gains heat.
Okay. The round bottom flask gain heat. Okay, wait.
Dia macam kalau ada air panas tu, dia macam yang droplet tu naik.
Okay, Naura. Good. Okay, but okay, what about Zulaika? Okay, Zulaika, give the answer first. Later I give my answer. Okay, I can accept Naura answer, but need to add some more. Okay, wait. Let's see Zulaika's answer.
Teacher yang nombor 2 tu ke teacher yang beri alasan tu?
Okay, Zulaika said the vapor will push the tube from the bottom, so the color rise up. Akil said because the level of color of water in the tube gain heat, the air in the conical flask expand, so the color water droplet goes up. Okay, so alright, so Zulaika and Akil got the idea as well as Naura. So I write down the answer. Give your reason and okay, because non-bottom flask expand when immersed.
Teacher, because
Ni teacher use chat box.
This is because
tak ada pun.
Sabar.
nanti.
Because the round bottom flask expand when immersed into hot water and hence cause the colored water droplet to rise up. Sorry, sekejap. Because round bottom flask expand. Okay, sorry. And sorry because you change little bit the first sentence to because round bottom flask gain heat and expand. Hence it causes the colored water droplets to rise up. I change the answer. Okay, for Zulaika said the vapor will push the tube from the bottom, so the color. Okay, Zulaika, can. Very good. So for Akil said the air in the conical flask expand. So the color. Akil and Zulaika give the same answer. Can. Alright. So move to question B. Okay, question B. During summer, the Eiffel Tower that is made up of steel becomes taller by 15 cm. In your opinion, what causes the situation to happen? What causes this one mark question only. So who want to try? Ifan already try. Want to try this question?
Teacher, I want to try.
Who's that? Anas?
Teacher.
Oh, Zulaika, sorry. Okay, Zulaika, try. Yes, Ifan. Okay, because of what?
Because the cause of the Eiffel Tower to become taller by 50 cm is because ada orang call.
Because of what? Why Eiffel Tower becomes taller? Because? Because? Wait. I'm waiting for Zulaika. Because?
Because of the heat.
Because of the heat. Okay. Heat okay, but you need to add some more. Okay. Ifan, give me your answer.
In my opinion, this happened because it happened during the hot day.
Memang hot day pun. So, what happened during hot day tu? Why suddenly the Eiffel Tower tu the height can become taller by 50 cm?
Sebab
Sorry?
dia gain heat.
Okay, siapa yang gain heat? That's when you want to answer the question make sure you use the precise, the correct term. Okay, siapa yang gain heat? After gain heat, what will happen? That's how to answer question B. Who want to try again? Who gains the heat and what will happen to the object when gain heat? That's how to answer.
Saya tahu je.
Okay, try.
In my opinion, this happened because the Eiffel Tower gains heat and expand.
Very good. Okay, so I changed a little bit. Not Eiffel Tower tu kan made up of steel. So the answer write down like this. Because steel gain heat and expand during hot day. That's how to answer that question, because only one mark. No need to write down a long sentence, just a short and precise. Okay, so I write down again the answer because
it gains heat
steel
and expand.
Okay, steel from Eiffel Tower. First gain heat and cause it to expand during hot day. So short and the answer, no need to write down a long answer because only one mark. Okay, move to last question. C. Anas, make sure to copy the answer at chat box, from chat box. Okay, the gaps between the railway tracks are one of the safety precautions, okay, need to be taken. Explain what will happen if a railway track is built without the gaps between the track. Okay, this one. Akil, can you give me your answer for question C? No, Zulaika, yours is not wrong. You just need to add some more, okay? Who gain the heat? We need to mention steel from Eiffel Tower gain heat and cause it to expand. You just add a little bit sentence. Okay, so I'm waiting for Akil's answer for question number C. What will happen if a railway track is built without gaps between each joints, okay, between the track? Okay, the rest of you please copy the answer from chat box, okay? So Akil's answer is the railway track will be bent. Okay, very good. So that's the answer. If no gap between the track, so what will happen during hot day, during hot day, the steel from the railway track will expand. So if no gap between the track, so that steel later will bend and cause the train to flip off from the track. Okay, that's why there is safety precaution for railway track. It needs to have gap between each track. Okay. So you can copy Akil's answer. The railway track. Railway is one word, railway. Will be banned.
Teacher, copy yang the railway track will be bent and if it is been bent, the train will flip.
Yes. Okay. Where is Mikael? Already left Mikael and Fayed. Okay, so okay lah, later I will share this recorded video with them so that they can complete the answer from today's exercise.
Teacher. Saya dah hantar saya punya tu kat Seesaw.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ifan. Zulaika dan? Zulaika dan? Okay, good Zulaika. Hadif dan Hadif?
Almost.
Almost, okay. Okay, so again, I need to remind you, please install Kotobi Reader. I already share with you tutorial on how to, on how to download and install Kotobi Reader. Check journal at Seesaw. I already share a video. Because after this, when I want to do revision, so I can use directly digital book directly from our VS Education.
Done.
Done. Okay, done Anas done? Not yet. Okay, Hadif done, Zulaika done, Naura done?
Ya, saya rasa saya dah boleh buat dah Kotobi Reader tu.
Okay,
Done,
good lah
done.
kalau okay, Naura done. Akil dah, Akil? Anas done? Not yet. Hurry up, Anas. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson about expansion and contraction of materials and their application in daily life situation. Okay, so for your information, expansion and contraction of material is important to ensure safety precaution. For example, like in a railway track, there needs gap in between track. Okay, so that it will not bend during hot day and later will cause the train to flip. For another example, electric cable and the usage of thermometer, and simple example like when you want to take off two glass stuck to each other kan. So this one also applied expansion and contraction of materials. Okay, so do you have any question to ask me about this topic?
No.
Okay, do you get the idea of expansion and contraction of materials?
Yes.
Okay, so first, okay, let me repeat before I end this class today. So before you want to mention about expansion and contraction of material, the first thing you need to know, gain heat first. Gaining heat first happen. Then only it will cause expansion. So the same thing for losing heat. The effect for losing heat is contraction of material. Okay, alright. So I think that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining me. And if you if I already send your exercise as you saw to me,
Yes, already
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, good. Alright, so tomorrow, let's see whether you are ready to continue with new topic on matter, or if not, another one last revision question. Then on Wednesday we can continue. We can proceed with new topic on matter. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.